My name is Julian Franklin. I'm a technical horticultural consultant at Rothamsted Research. I've been involved in this project in terms of selecting and advising on the replacement lighting for our glasshouses. Previously we've had high pressure sodium lamps, and to save energy primarily, but also to get a better quality of plant, we've transferred to LED lighting. And we've selected, in this instance, INDO Lighting because the lights are a small form factor, so we get as much natural light as possible, as you can see in the pictures. And also because they have a good warranty, 10 years, and they produce a good quality light. We measured the spectrum and it looks ideal for the type of work that we're doing. And that work is primarily growing cereals and arable crops, potatoes, camelina, barley, rice, a wide variety of UK grown crops. By choosing LED lighting to replace our existing high pressure sodium lamps, we were looking for considerable energy saving, and with these lamps we get between 40 and 60% energy reduction. And we get a greater reliability. We've chosen LED lighting because it will save us money. It will save on maintenance costs and it will save on energy costs. We were spending in excess of £250,000 a year just on electricity costs, and that's a good industrial rate. We aim to reduce that by half by going over to LED lighting. We have a lot of high pressure sodium lighting, and we're going over to LED lighting, so it is more efficient. When we were looking to choose our lighting, we obviously looked at a large range of manufacturers. So the reason that we in the end choose was, again, a good warranty, but it was a product that was been proven in the street lighting field. And in fact, all our high pressure sodium lamps evolved from street lighting. So again, it was a good pedigree in terms of coming from a product which was used outside, which was used in conditions where they wanted good lighting over extended periods, where there was considered to be reliability. And that's the one thing we've learnt with LED lighting, is you need a reliable fitting. So we believe, from talking to INDO Lighting and looking at the type of product they produce, is that we had something that potentially is much more reliable. And maybe longer term, as we replace, because we've got different LED lighting historically, because INDO Lighting is a new product, we will replace with INDO Lighting because we found some of our older LED lighting is less than reliable. We've got good uniformity, so again that is very important to us, as there's a reasonably good light spread over the whole area. And the other feature is a driverless system, so that makes a difference for us. It's the factor that we found in LED lighting which tends to fail actually before the LEDs do. Rothamsted Research is an agricultural research station. It's one of the oldest in the world, formed originally in 1843, so we've been going for over 150 years. So we primarily work on agricultural research that are grown by British farmers. We also grow rice, a variety of lettuce type crops, and things exotic. So what we want is a light actually which is very broad spectrum, which gives us a variety of good results with a whole range of different plants. Primarily, Rothamsted's research goal is to improve crop productivity, to improve resistance to pests and disease, and to find different strategies for growing plants. So in addition to plant growth chambers, glass houses, we also have an extensive farm as well. I mean, one of our goals, it is a top end of one of our goals, is by 2030 we would be helping to achieve yields in excess of 20 tonnes per hectare. Normally UK farms are in the low 10s or just below 10 tonnes per hectare. So we're looking, to have systems or improve the way the plant grows to actually almost double that yield. And we believe, some of our researchers believe that's possible to actually do that.